Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring ingredients precisely. 2 cups cold heavy cream, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Chill the mixing bowl and beaters in the freezer for at least 15 minutes to keep the cream cold while whipping. Cold equipment and cream help trap air and reach stable peaks. Warmer cream will weep and become runny. Powdered sugar dissolves faster than granulated. It also contains a bit of cornstarch to stabilize the cream. Use fresh heavy cream labeled 36% milk fat or higher for best texture. Pour the cold heavy cream into the chilled bowl and start whipping on medium speed. Soft peaks generally form in about 3 to 5 minutes depending on mixer power. For a firmer hold, sprinkle 1 tablespoon cornstarch or dissolve 1 teaspoon unflavored gelatin in 2 tablespoons warm water and add when soft peaks appear. Continue whipping until stiff peaks that hold shape form, but stop promptly. Over-whipping causes the cream to separate and become grainy and buttery. Taste and adjust sweetness with more powdered sugar assemble the cake by spreading whipped cream immediately with an offset spatula, aiming for a smooth 1/4 inch coverage on each layer to prevent sliding when stacking. For piping, transfer to a piping bag fitted with the desired tip and work quickly. Chilled cakes and bowls reduce melting and sliding. Store leftover whipped cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Longevity depends on sugar and stabilizer used. If volume falls, re-whip briefly on low speed and add 1 tablespoon cold heavy cream to restore texture before decorating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.